Imagine turning a 1-hour podcast into 20 viral short videos in less than 30 minutes. Sounds impossible? Well, that's exactly what today's AI tool promises to do. Welcome back to Flowcrai. If you're creating content in 2026, you've probably noticed one thing. Short-form videos are dominating every major social media platform. Whether it's YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or Facebook Reels, these bite-sized videos are driving millions of views every single day. But here's the problem. Creating great short-form content from long videos is incredibly time-consuming. You have to watch the entire recording, find the best moments, cut them, resize the video, add captions, and optimize everything for different platforms. What if artificial intelligence could do almost all of that for you? That's exactly what OpusClip promises to do. In today's review, we'll explore what OpusClip is, its best features, who it's designed for, its strengths and weaknesses, and whether it's actually worth your money. Let's dive in. What is OpusClip? OpusClip is an AI-powered video repurposing platform built specifically for creators who produce long-form content. Instead of spending hours editing podcasts, webinars, interviews, tutorials, online courses, or YouTube videos, OpusClip analyzes your content using artificial intelligence and automatically transforms it into multiple short videos optimized for social media. Think of it as having an AI video editor working behind the scenes 24 hours a day. Simply upload your video, or even paste a YouTube link, and within minutes, the platform generates ready-to-publish clips complete with captions, smart framing, and social media-friendly formatting. For creators trying to grow across multiple platforms, this workflow can be a massive time saver. Features that make OpusClip stand out. The first feature most people notice is AI clip generation. Instead of randomly cutting sections of a video, the AI analyzes the conversation and identifies complete ideas, valuable insights, emotional moments, and engaging stories. The resulting clips usually feel intentional and natural, making them much more enjoyable to watch. Another standout feature is AI Virality Score. Every generated clip receives a score estimating how likely it is to perform well on platforms like TikTok or YouTube Shorts. While no AI can guarantee a viral video, this feature helps creators prioritize which clips deserve their attention first. Automatic captions are another major advantage. Today's audiences often watch videos with the sound turned off, especially on mobile devices. OpusClip creates animated subtitles automatically and allows you to customize fonts, colors, layouts, and styles without using another editing application. The platform also includes AI reframing, which intelligently follows the speaker and keeps them centered in vertical videos. This is especially useful if your original content was recorded in landscape mode. Whether you're recording interviews, podcasts, or educational videos, your final clips still look professionally produced. For teams producing content at scale, OpusClip also supports branding options, team collaboration, scheduling tools, and integrations that streamline an entire content production workflow. Real-world performance. The biggest benefit of OpusClip isn't just automation, it's speed. Imagine recording a 1-hour podcast. Traditionally, turning that single episode into 20 short clips might take 4 to 6 hours of editing. With OpusClip, many creators finish the entire process in less than 30 minutes. That means more time creating content and less time sitting behind an editing timeline. This is one of the main reasons why many YouTubers, podcast hosts, SaaS companies, educators, coaches, and digital marketing agencies have adopted AI-powered editing tools. Instead of producing one piece of content from each recording, they can now publish 20 or 30 pieces across multiple platforms. That dramatically increases visibility without dramatically increasing workload. Who should use OpusClip? OpusClip isn't built only for professional video editors. It's actually most valuable for people who create content consistently. If you're a YouTuber looking to grow faster, a podcaster trying to expand your audience, an online coach sharing educational content, or a business using video marketing to generate leads, this platform can significantly improve your workflow. It's also an excellent solution for affiliate marketers. Instead of writing only blog reviews, you can quickly transform long product demonstrations, webinars, or tutorials into dozens of engaging short videos that drive viewers back to your website or affiliate offers. For anyone trying to build an online brand in today's attention economy, consistent short-form content is no longer optional. It's essential. The pros and cons. Like any AI tool, OpusClip isn't perfect. Let's start with the positives. The platform is incredibly easy to use. Its interface is beginner-friendly. Processing speeds are impressive. Captions are among the best in the industry. And the AI does an excellent job identifying interesting moments from long videos. For most creators, the amount of time saved easily justifies the subscription cost. However, there are still some limitations. The AI occasionally selects clips that aren't the strongest moments in a conversation. Automatic captions sometimes require minor corrections, especially when speakers use technical language or have strong regional accents. And if you're producing highly cinematic videos requiring frame-by-frame precision, professional editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve will still offer greater creative control. The good news is that OpusClip isn't trying to replace those tools. Instead, it complements them by eliminating repetitive editing tasks. Is OpusClip worth it? For many creators, the answer is yes. If your goal is to publish more content without hiring a full editing team, OpusClip delivers real value. The platform combines artificial intelligence, automation, speed, and ease of use into a workflow that feels genuinely practical rather than gimmicky. As AI continues transforming content creation, tools like OpusClip are becoming less of a luxury and more of a competitive advantage. Creators who learn to leverage AI effectively will simply be able to publish more content, reach larger audiences, and grow faster than those relying entirely on manual workflows. Final verdict. Overall, OpusClip is one of the strongest AI video repurposing platforms available today. It won't completely replace professional editing software, but that's not its purpose. Its mission is to help creators save time, produce more content, and maximize the value of every long-form video they create. If you're serious about growing on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or Facebook Reels, OpusClip deserves a place in your content creation toolkit. If you'd like to learn more or try the platform yourself, you'll find the official OpusClip link in the description below. Using that link is a great way to explore the latest features and see whether it fits your workflow. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to Flowcrai for more AI software reviews, affiliate marketing insights, and productivity tools. And let us know in the comments which AI tool you'd like us to review next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.